Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your account from Happn app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top right corner of this dashboard. So once you tap on that profile picture, you can see the settings option just down below of this screen. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the configuration section, where you can see the my data option just down below of your profile picture. So let's tap on that my data, and finally you can see the delete my account at the bottom of this section. So let's select that delete my account, and you can see there is written you have the option of pausing your profile without having to delete it. So what it basically means is you can take a break from your Happn app by tapping on the pause, but if you want to straight delete it, then simply tap on the delete my account, and then you need to tap on the continue, and it will ask you for a reason and to fulfill few more formalities. So once you complete your few more formalities and verify yourself, you will be able to delete your account successfully. But for now I'm not gonna do it, but yeah, the process is same. So basically this is how you can delete your account from your Happn app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.